Today's video will be short, but I want to share some very interesting news with you. If you're still interested in the Insta360 X5, I have the best deal yet for you today, but more on that in a moment. First, I want to show you the white version of the Insta360 X5. To be honest, I wasn't particularly impressed by the photos, but I've changed my mind. As you can see here, the X5 looks absolutely cool in white. On the one hand, the white contrasts with the black of the lenses, and on the other hand, the white X5 also has some very nice orange elements. For example, the circle of the shutter button. I'll show you a direct comparison with the black version in a moment. Apart from the camera itself, this standard packaging contains nothing special. But, and this is also very cool, the pouch has been colored to match the white camera. The pouch contains a USB-C cable and a clove for cleaning the lenses. And I have something else here that goes very well with the white X5, the white selfie stick. This is a standard selfie stick from Insta360 with a length of 114 centimeters, only in satin white. And satin white is also the actual name of the color of the white X5. And as you can see here, the white X5 looks absolutely great and very stylish in combination with this stick. I'm already looking forward to filming with it in winter and in the snow. What you can't see so well in the video is that it's not pure white. On the one hand, the camera shines much more than the black version. On the other hand, when you hold it sideways in the right light, you get the impression of seeing tiny sprinkles of color. You can probably see this best in this shot. In any case, it looks very classy. Here you can see a direct comparison with the standard black version of the X5. Of course, black is the more conventional color for a camera like this, but I think the white version looks absolutely great, even in direct comparison. It's clear that the white version is naturally a little more delicate and will probably look dirty more quickly. That means if you want to prevent that, you'll have to take better care of the camera and store it in its pouch after use. I'd be interested to know which you prefer. Is the white color even an option for you? And as I said at the beginning, there's now a very special offer for the X5. The X5 was briefly on sale a few weeks ago during Prime Days and cost $30 less at the time, but I think that partly due to the release of the Osmo 360, Insta360 has now reduced the price of the X5 slightly, by 5% to be precise. That's not much, and it's not cheaper than during Prime Days. But Insta360 is currently offering a very special affiliate gift, a double lens replacement kit. This alone is worth $45. With this affiliate gift, you can replace not just one lens cover, but two. And the 5% discount combined with the affiliate gift makes this the best deal for the X5 so far. To get the double lens replacement kit, I've put a link in the video description. Usually these very special affiliate gifts are only available for a limited time. And at the moment, I can't tell you for how long the double lens replacement kit will be available. If you've seen my comparison between the X5 and the Osmo 360, then you know that I'm still convinced that the X5 is the best 360 camera on the market. And replacing the lens covers is also one of the X5's great strengths compared to the Osmo 360, because the protruding lenses can be damaged quite quickly depending on how the camera is used. But that's not the only advantage the X5 has over the Osmo 360. If you want to know more, check out my detailed comparison. There will be more videos about the X5 and other 360 cameras. And if you want to take advantage of this very special deal, then use the link in the video description. There will also be some exciting news in a few days. So stay tuned and see you next time.